Hi guys, привет всем! Welcome to AllasYummyFood. Today I'll show you how to make pancakes stuffed with salmon and spinach. It's really yummy, very creamy and delicious. Spinach and salmon is really healthy, and when you have it in a pancake roll, it just becomes a delicious and really nutritious dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. We're going to need salmon, fresh parsley, sour cream, fresh spinach, pancakes, salt and pepper. Once your salmon is cooked, we're just going to place it into a bowl, and you want to break it apart into nice pieces. Take a pancake and about 1 tablespoon of your salmon spinach mixture. Now we're just going to roll, press on it, fold. Once all your pancakes are done, if you're eating them straight away, we need to fry them in butter on both sides until they're nice and golden. If you can't finish them all, you can freeze them. That's what I usually do. I keep them in my freezer. They keep really well for a couple of months, and then just before serving, you would defrost them and then fry them and serve. Really easy and super quick. Add butter into your pan.